What is the Indiana 5G zone? Well, the 5G zone is a test bed on one hand. So behind me you can see our physical testing environment here in the laboratory. We've got a 5G millimeter wave RAN. We have the ability to provision our own devices as well as operate on the AT&T commercial network. We can route our traffic either to the cloud or through our lab-based edge compute node through a MEC gateway. This allows us to take full advantage of the low latency characteristics inherent in 5G networks. The test bed is up and running, ready to go. We're ready to support prototyping, experimentation. We've made allowances for remote access. We've got lab support services that will help bring your devices, load your applications, configure virtual machines to give you a smart pair of hands to get your experiments off the ground. All while giving you the opportunity to monitor and see the progress of your experiments remotely. Another part of the zone aspect of what we're doing here is that here in downtown Indianapolis, there are multiple carriers who have deployed millimeter wave 5G service and sub-6 5G service. So we have the ability then to take the work that we're doing and move outside, so to speak, into a real-life urban environment. We'd like to invite you to join our community, give you the opportunity to make new business relationships within government, academic, and private sector organizations. Some examples of this community are projects that we've done with partnering industry, with college interns together on a project, but the wrinkle that we add here in the 5G zone is the access to the test bed you see here behind me. Startups have the ability to rapidly do their product development using our existing test bed platform. This gives everyone the ability to save money, but more importantly, save time towards getting their new innovations, their new products and services to market quickly. Additional Indiana 5G zone value comes from our connections to other labs across the country. It's a growing network and partnership that collaborates, shares best practices and lessons learned. At the Indiana 5G zone, we're taking abstract ideas, the concept of software-defined networks, and turning them into real products. We'd like to invite you to bring your challenges, problems, and use cases, whether they're for smart cities applications, advanced manufacturing, or others. We'll bring and leverage our lab capabilities and our membership to attack these challenges so we can all get to market quickly. We have a team that's ready to support you, and we can add tremendous value to your projects and help you get to market more quickly. We'd like to invite you to join today as part of our founding member program. Let's work on all these challenges together.